Welcome to Type C Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the LG Ultragear 24GN650. We're going to go ahead and unbox this, and then I'm going to give you my first impressions of gaming with this thing. And if at any point during the video you want to go check out this exact same monitor, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. I do got you guys, but let's unbox this thing. All right, this is a 24-inch, pretty premium 24-inch gaming monitor. Now for the price, you can get much bigger monitors, 32-inch monitors. However, are they gonna be this premium? That's what we're gonna find out. All right, right away in the box, you have the power adapter, you have a DisplayPort cable, you have a loose CD, which is kind of interesting, warranty cards, and then the manual. And then we have the stand, which I think should be almost exactly like my other LG Ultragear. This looks almost identical to my LG Ultragear right over there, the ultra wide. So you're basically getting a stand from a almost $1,000 monitor. Yeah, this is literally the exact same one, which is pretty crazy that even on a 24-inch monitor, you're getting this super premium stand. Of all the monitors that I've reviewed, this is probably the second best stand that I've ever used. Number one spot goes to the Alienware monitors. Those things have crazy good stands. Yes, this is literally the exact same one. It has Ultragear printed right there, very premium. It has the cable management back here. This thing is quite well packaged, and there is the monitor. Let's build up this stand very quickly. All you have to do for these is literally put the back on there, and then there's two screws on the back. And that's literally all you have to do. Just screw those in. You can hand tighten these. You don't need to use a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. And there it is. Stand's already put together. Really nice stand, guys. Probably overkill for this monitor, but nobody's gonna complain. Okay, so far, super premium, wow. Just like all the other Ultragear monitors, this one looks super nice. This is a flat panel, obviously, but right back here, it all just clips in right there. Let's get this thing hooked on. I'll show you how easy it is. So once you got your monitor stand, put it right there, and all you have to do, I'll turn it sideways so you can see it. You hook in the top right here. All you do is hook in the top. Now that the top's hooked in, push it, and that's it, it's in. Quite nice. Wow, the build quality of these monitors is really unbelievable. Pretty much unmatched. I mean, Alienware definitely has a very similar quality as LG does, but to list the ports, you have a DisplayPort, two HDMIs, you have the 3.5mm audio out, the DC power in, and that's it. So you get no USBs, although really good pro, just checked it here on the bottom, is on the bottom here, it does have the knob that LG is like known for. It has the best menu system ever. You can see how high this thing gets. I mean, look at this, really good. But let's get this thing plugged in and launch some Warzone and see my first initial reaction. I'm very excited. All right, guys, now it's first impressions time. Let's turn this thing on. Let's change up some of the settings. So going in the settings, this is the same system that's in most of them. So you have the different stuff right here. These are the different color effects. So obviously this one's pretty dim. This one's much brighter. FPS, vivid, HDR effect. I actually like the HDR effect. If I'm just gaming, it looks nice. We're just gonna leave it in that. Brightness is 100%, and this is a 350 nit panel, which is pretty good for a 24-inch monitor at this price point. Again, it's a premium 24-inch monitor. Another big thing with this is it's actually a 6-bit panel, but it has frame rate control, so it can display 1.6 million blah 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 colors because it uses frame rate control. So let's change this over, and now this is interesting. It actually says it can output 10 bits, which maybe it's an 8-bit plus frame rate control. I'm not 100% sure. This isn't the review, just the unboxing, so let's try that. Okay, so it says that it's outputting 10 bits. I don't know. That will be in the full review, but let's do a gaming test. Let's launch some Warzone. Also, season 3 is literally coming out in like 50 minutes, so. But you guys can see, it's like pretty bright. Another reason you guys might want to actually get this monitor is if your system cannot push like 1440p ultra wide, or if it can't push 1440p and you want a good PPI, pixels per inch, a 24 with 1080p might be a great way to go. And this is a super premium 1080p monitor. I mean, so far, I mean, look at the black levels are actually not bad, and I don't know exactly what the contrast ratio is, but you can see it looks vibrant, it looks pretty. The brightness is actually really good. This feels like a Ultragear experience, which if you guys have used Ultragears, they're good monitors. Okay, so we're playing this on 1080p, everything is maxed out, but we still should get a very high frame rate. We should get like 144 hertz easily with no change. So this should be a good representation of using the monitor to its full potential. Honestly, though, 1080p, it looks pretty good at this screen size. I mean, I use a 1440p ultra wide. It's actually an Ultragear daily, and the PPI on this thing doesn't seem to be a problem. Sometimes if you look really closely at text, there's maybe a little bit, you can see the pixels, but for the most part, not at all a problem, and it looks very premium. Guys, the colors look quite nice. I'm not really sure if this is actually a 10-bit panel or an 8-bit plus frame rate control, but it looks really good. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I run an LG Ultragear ultra wide, pretty much the top end, almost the top end Ultragear. And this thing feels so similar to it. The colors look really vibrant. The black levels, you can see, they're not like a VA panel, but they're not bad at all. It's pretty surprising. This really does feel like a premium experience. And honestly, when a monitor is this good, I mean, this is just right off the bat, not a full review, but when it's this good, it doesn't really feel like it's a small monitor. I don't know if that makes sense, but so far I've noticed no screen tearing, no ghosting, pretty freaking solid. I'm pretty impressed. The actual picture quality of this with an IPS panel, I mean, is it getting 10 bits? I'm not sure. You're gonna have to watch the full review. Go subscribe below. But guys, it feels good. Like better than okay for a budget monitor. No, like this feels premium. This feels like some of the best monitors in the game, period. And if this thing actually is true 10-bit or true 8-bit plus frame rate control, this is something that you might be able to even edit videos and photos on, as well as game very premiumly. Again, guys, if you do want to go check it out, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. I do got you guys, but make sure that you go subscribe below because I will be coming out with a full review of this monitor. It might already be out by the time you're watching this, so definitely check below for my full review on it. And I might actually be comparing it to other monitors in this price range, so again, go subscribe below. We're trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. And if you enjoy monitor reviews or gaming monitor reviews, I do a ton of those, so please consider subscribing again. This was Type C Tech Reviews, and I'll see you guys later.